And so far the mouth looks pretty good. So here's the side view, here's the other side. So yeah, I'm just gonna go straight into it. Let's just test this out in game really quick. So this mouse, after I've like messed around for a while, like you can't really get like that much of a high CPS on it. Like, you probably, you think this is a rocket mouse. You would expect to get like 40, 50 CPS. But on this mouse, I can get up to like 40 maximum. But what's really good about this mouse is that, I don't know, it's probably because of the texture of the mouse button, it makes it really easy to drag click on. Like in the past for Model O or Model D, I might have to rely on tapes and stuff like that, but for this, I don't need anything. I can just straight up drag click on it. I feel like in some situations,